In this video, I'm going to talk about an app's hidden memory. And when you're building an app, then this is real simple. And I got a simple button, and the properties for that component always show up for this button. They show up on the right side here, and these are really the initial properties for the component. For instance, its text says click red. Its text color is white. Font size is 18. But always think of this as the initial properties. When the app starts, that's the way it's going to look. But in our blocks, so in our code, we can actually make it so those properties change. So like for instance, in this simple app, all we're doing is saying when I click the button, change it so it's red. Okay. So I'm going to say when button.click, and then I'm going to use what's called a set block. And set means change. I want to modify something. And in this case, what I want to do is I want to change the background color of the button to red. Okay, right now I'm saying set it to blue, but I'm going to change it to red. So when my button is clicked, change the background color to red. So let's go back to the designer. Notice the initial value is still blue, right? But if I run this thing, when I click the button, the background color changes to red. Notice the initial, background color for the button is still blue, right? Because these are the initial properties of the component. It just means, when I run it, when I run the app, it's always going to start with these initial properties. But as soon as the app, these blocks, as soon as some interactive behavior happens, things turn red. Or the background color turns red. So what I want you to think about is there's really this kind of hidden memory, right? So this is not really the hidden memory, but when an app is actually running, there's almost like a spreadsheet that you can't see. And so I've just made a spreadsheet. This is fake, but this is really inside an app. There's really this hidden memory where, it's got all these properties in them. Right when the app starts, the properties memory cells are set, right? But then as I run the app, as soon as I click on the button and it turns red, essentially what's happening is that memory cell is turning to red. So the internal memory of the app has this data, and it makes the button appear red, whereas the initial values for the app are unchanged.